Tracking engagement with CrankWheel is a great way to understand how your audience interacts with your content, especially when you're showcasing your screen or giving online demos. This quick explainer will show you how to do just that. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share how you can access CrankWheel for free with exclusive bonuses, so make sure you don't miss out. CrankWheel is an easy-to-use screen sharing and engagement tool designed for remote sales and support teams. The platform tracks several metrics that help you understand how your audience is engaging with your presentation or demo. First, let's dive into how to track these engagements. The first thing you want to do is log into CrankWheel and start a session. When you share your screen or browser, CrankWheel automatically tracks your viewers' activity. You'll be able to see who's joined the session, how long they stayed, and where their attention was focused. This gives you valuable insight into how well your presentation is holding up. Next, the software provides real-time analytics during the session. This means you can adjust on the fly based on what's grabbing your audience's attention and what's not. Whether they're clicking on a link or watching your screen carefully, this feedback allows you to customize your approach to each customer's needs. The third thing to note is CrankWheel's engagement dashboard, which shows you key metrics like viewer retention and interaction heat maps. The retention rates let you see if viewers drop off early or stay throughout the session, and the heat maps show which parts of your screen got the most attention. This helps you identify what's really resonating with your audience. The fourth thing you can track is how much time was spent on specific segments of your presentation. With this, you can fine-tune future presentations by focusing more on the sections that keep your viewers engaged and spending less time on sections they seem to ignore. Finally, let's talk about follow-up actions. After a session ends, CrankWheel provides a detailed report that includes engagement metrics and viewer behavior. You can use these insights to follow up with personalized content, ensuring you're addressing your audience's interests and concerns. If you want to dive deeper into CrankWheel's powerful tracking features, be sure to check the first link below. You can try the software for free and take advantage of exclusive bonuses we're offering. To wrap it up, CrankWheel gives you a full suite of tools to track engagement, making it easier for you to optimize your presentations. Don't forget that the link below also offers an extended free trial, so you can get started without any upfront costs. Happy tracking!